Hi, it's Simon, Sutton, George, Tenerife Property Group. Today we're in Los Cristianos. The beach is literally just across the road there. We're in a complex called Los Angeles, which is opposite the Arona Grand Hotel, if you know it, near the market. The market's just over there, the Sunday market for Los Cristianos. And if you know it, then well, you know where the beach is as well, plainly simple. Community pool. 1-bedroom apartment, recently refurbished kitchen as well here, so that's nice. Bathroom as well, I think, has been refurbished recently. It's certainly not original, so we'll have a look at that. And a balcony there with, I'm not going to say a sea view, but you can see the sea. Let's have a look around. So coming in here through the main door, the view we get straight away is of the lounge kitchen just on the right hand side here. And we've got some locked cupboards just so that people can keep some private stuff in there, but just basic cleaning cupboard really here. Good amount of storage though. Okay, so as I say, the kitchen, that looks recently refurbed. Those nice tiles on there. And you've got an oven and a hob. Microwave, and then looking straight out as an American kitchen would. Straight out onto the lounge there. Across here to the bathroom. So as I say, that's definitely not original. Nice bright bathroom. It's got a shower head and a bath, so best of both worlds. Washing machines inside here as well. And that looks reasonably new, so not rusty. So out of here and across into the bedroom. So currently set out as 2 single beds, plenty of wardrobe space here as well. You've got some cupboards at the top. Bedroom window and desk. And then you've got the terrace outside, or balcony rather. Never know what the difference is. I always say a terrace is touching the ground, a balcony is hanging off it. So there's our view. We'll get the sun up here in the morning. And then it will be setting over there. There's our, what I'm going to say is we can see the sea, but it's not a sea view, but you can see where we are. I mean, this is the Arona Grand Hotel. So we are seconds, literally, once you're on the ground floor, seconds away from the beach. You've only got to cross this road here, and then you're there. Balcony is large enough for 4 chairs and a table, and the dryer. So it's our 1-bedroom apartment in Los Angeles, in Los Cristianos, just across the road there from the sea as well. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonSG@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.